today is the 19th of March and tomorrow Danny and I are going to Paris and I am so excited, but I am not organised at all. So I thought I could bring you along today while I get organised, get prepared for our trip. We leave tomorrow at like, I think our flight's at 6:30 in the morning. We're flying from Edinburgh though, so we obviously have to get up very early to get to the airport on time. So I need to do everything today, basically. I have a list on my phone of everything that I need to do. I've just been sitting all morning editing a new vlog because I want to get a vlog up tonight. I kind of hate this vlog, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like I don't want to waste all of the clips and I have nothing else to upload. So I think I'm gonna upload it anyway. I'm gonna edit it a wee bit more and see if I can like it a bit more than I do right now, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you watched the last vlog, then I'm sorry about that. I need to basically figure out all of my outfits and pack everything. So we have a lot to do today. I might paint my nails as well. I'm not sure, I can't really decide. I feel like I don't want to go to Paris with like these nails, but also I find it really annoying when I paint my nails because then they just chip. I do have a list on my notes app of potential outfits. I have loads, but there's just none that I'm like that set on, I don't think. I also did order a couple of things that are meant to arrive today. The tracking says they're not going to come till Thursday, but I paid for next day delivery and I ordered them yesterday, so I'm really hoping they show up. But I'm very excited. We're away for like 4 days, I think. We leave tomorrow and we get back on Saturday, so it's a fairly short trip, but I'm really excited. I cannot wait. I love Paris. It's my favourite place ever. And it's meant to be really nice weather. It's literally meant to be like 19 degrees, I think, when we arrive tomorrow. So I don't know how I'm going to dress for that. I can't even remember what 19 degrees feels like. I do need to go home later this evening to pick up my passport and potentially a suitcase. We do have one here, but I'm not sure if it's actually going to be big enough to fit all of my stuff. I will say the only thing I'm not looking forward to is the flight. I really hate flying and it makes me really nervous, and I keep like just envisioning myself on the plane and it's making me really anxious, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm trying not to think about that today, and I'm hoping that I'll just be really tired and I'll sleep through it, but that's the only thing I'm nervous about. But then we'll be in Paris and it'll be great and we'll be there. I don't know. What I'm gonna do to try and figure out my outfits is just go through my wardrobe and start picking out just random pieces that I potentially might want to wear. We don't have anything planned while we're there except tomorrow night's the first night that we're there. We're going to see Madison Beer, which I'm very excited about as well. But that's the only thing we have planned so far, so I don't really know what to wear. I obviously want really nice outfits, but I don't want to look like I'm trying too hard. My wardrobe is also a complete mess, as you can tell, but I will deal with that another day. Have to get some Gossip Girl on while I do this. This a bit much. I also feel like it's really unflattering. I have just made myself a little salad for lunch with some corn pieces, okay, healthy. And here is an update. There's not a whole lot to show, to be honest, but I have 4 outfits there that are potentials. I'm not even 100% sure on any of them, to be honest, but this is what I've got so far. That's a pile of stuff that I kind of wanted to wear, but I'm not 100% sure if I will yet. And there's still no sign of my other 2 packages, so I'm going to leave this stuff for now, and then after lunch maybe go on to my hand luggage, like my makeup and toiletries and stuff like that, because I definitely forgot that you have to separate the liquids. And I don't have one of those wee clear bags, so I'm gonna need to find one. The last time I went on holiday last year with Danny's family, I'm just like not an experienced flyer at all. Like the first time I went on a plane was when I was 18, and then I've maybe been on like maybe like 4 planes after that or something like that. So I'm really not an experienced flyer, which is I think also why I really hate flying. But when we were on holiday with Danny's family last year, I just like forgot that you could only bring 1 bag of liquids, and I had 2 bags. And then obviously I got to like security and they were like, you can't bring 2 bags of these on the plane. I was like, oh. And I definitely thought that I was gonna have to throw out like half my makeup, but thankfully Danny's brother hadn't brought any toiletries with him, so I just gave him my second bag and it was fine. So now I'm a wee bit stressed because that was all my makeup and stuff like that, which I need for this trip. So I'm gonna really try bring the bare minimum. I also kind of want to buy stuff out there, so I want there to be a little bit of space if I decide to purchase anything. But I also really don't like the airport, and security gives me the fear, so I don't want getting stopped. And I always get stopped at security. I think every single plane I've got on, they've stopped me. I don't know why. I don't know if do I look dodgy? Maybe. I've just finished doing my nails. They honestly look pretty terrible, but when I shower later, hopefully all of the extra nail polish will come off. But I decided to do red. Hopefully they don't chip on the trip, because that will really, really annoy me. I think I'm pretty much fully packed now. There is my suitcase. It's kind of embarrassing that it's got an Eiffel Tower on it. Like, I feel like I look like a bit of a super fan. But this is my mum's, and it was the only one that fit my stuff in it. I actually feel like I've still got like a fair amount of room if I want to buy stuff. I feel like I could definitely squish a lot more in there. I still need to shower and wash my hair and then dry my hair before I go to bed, and I'm not 100% sure about my outfits, I'm not gonna lie. Also, I just look so good right now. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure about some of my outfits. There's a couple of things I haven't bought that I'm like, maybe I won't want to wear that when I get there. But it's currently 20 to 11 and I think we're leaving here at 3:30. So I'm really not going to get a whole lot of sleep, am I? But I hope you like this little pack with me and prep for Paris. I'm very excited. So I will see you tomorrow for Paris.